because of again and I said that now on the IPOB customer, the woman. Do you understand me? So I'm gonna take a time and go to look at the interview point chimele the man. Do you understand me? So he got that in a lot of injustice in this country called Nigeria. You got now. So again about the headline video go to say that na DSS hide my wife's death by for 2 years husband. Mr. Sunday Ifedi, who was detained for 4 years without persecution at the DSS facility in Wawa Barracks, Niger State, shared with Grace Edima his unlawful detention and how his wife, Celestina, died in the security outfit custody 2 years ago. You and your wife were arrested 4 years ago by the Department of State Services. Did you see your wife again after the arrest? Now the news reporter is asking the man. No, the day they took us in the same vehicle was the last day I saw her. From that day until today, I have not seen my wife. What led to your arrest and detention?